Staying with its all-out efforts to deal with Naxalite violence spread across 9 states in the country, the Union Rural Development Ministry on Friday launched a new skill development scheme called Roshni. The scheme aims at development of troubled areas and targets rural youth from 24 worst Naxal-affected districts of the country. 6 districts, each from Jharkhand and Odisha, 5 from Chhattisgarh, 2 from Bihar and 1 each from Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra have been chosen for the scheme, which will be implemented at a cost of 100 crore rupees. The 3-year initiative aims at training 50,000 youth from these districts and ensuring that at least 75% of them get employed in the organized sector anywhere in India.
जो नई परियोजना है रोशनी 24 जिलों में लागू होगा। अगले 3 साल में 50,000 युवकों को ट्रेनिंग दिया जाएगा, 3 महीने से लेकर 6 महीने तक। और सिर्फ ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं, प्रशिक्षण ही नहीं, पर उसके पश्चात उनको रोजगार भी दिलवाया जाएगा। और ये रोजगार न केवल उसी राज्य में होगा बल्कि अलग अलग राज्यों में भी हो सकता है। और पहली बार हमने एक आरक्षण रखा है इसमें कि 50,000 में से कम 50% यानी 25,000 लड़कियां होने चाहिए।
Youths aged between 18 to 35 years will benefit from the scheme, 50% of whom will be women. The funding for the Roshni scheme is in the ratio of 75:25 to be shared between centre and states. Educational institutions, corporate entities that train and place for improved public service delivery, commercial and not-for-profit training providers will be roped in for implementing the scheme. Further, 4 training models with duration ranging from 3 months to 1 year will be taken up to meet the diverse needs of youth depending on their entry-level qualifications. Ritu Verma's report, DD News, New Delhi.